Now, let me see. Casserole of duck. No. Duck with cherries. Ew. Peking duck. No. Ah, here we are. Duck out of lunch.
What are we having?
We're having you for lunch.
Yes, I know that. And what are we going to eat?
Oh, I'll whip something up. A surprise.
My mother must have been thinking of someone else. She told me to beware of the cat.
Ah, bless her. Mothers are all the same. For some reason, they think it's part of our job description to keep us from having fun. Not our mother, though. Do you know what she used to say to us? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever shutting doors. You can dig up all the flowers from freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chip your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can sort the kids out before the lunch. You can play with your food, I like it. It's a crazy little game, come on. So, tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It could be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Wow. I like to paddle the paddle, choose the backs of the shelves. Then make them stand on side and side to the much free fine marshmallows. I'll go and slay the dragon, far much water, gold memories. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. Your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play